If you're fed up with losing trades, seeking an easy yet profitable scalping strategy, and you have no clue about technical analysis, you've definitely picked the right video. So don't waste any time. Go check it out on tradingview.com. Now go ahead and include the alpha trend indicator on your chart. Now it's time to fine-tune this indicator. So now, feel free to start trading using the buy and sell signals from this indicator. But I highly recommend watching the video until the end, where we'll enhance the strategy's success rate by adding 2 more free indicators. Begin, add the Firefly Oscillator indicator to your chart. Now don't forget to tweak its settings accordingly. After those changes, the green and red histograms in this indicator act as filters, helping us weed out signals with lower profit potential. So, when you see a buy signal along with a green histogram, consider it confirmed. Similarly, if you spot a sell signal accompanied by a red histogram, that's also a confirmation. For example, let's say you have a buy signal and the Firefly Oscillator histogram is green, validating the signal. In the next scenario, there's a sell signal, but no histogram is presented in the Firefly Oscillator. In such cases, it's wise to hold off on the trade. Lastly, in another instance, a sell signal appears and it's backed by a red histogram in the Firefly Oscillator, further confirming the signal. Now head back to the indicator section and this time add the HMA or whole moving average indicator to your chart. After that, dive into the settings of this indicator and make some adjustments I did to make it work best for this strategy. Now the trend is crystal clear. When the candles are below the HMA indicator, it's a sign of downward momentum. Conversely, when the candles are above the HMA indicator, it indicates an upward momentum. So now let's outline the rules for a sell trade. First, you need the alpha trend indicator to give you a sell signal. Then confirm the downward trend by ensuring that the price is below the HMA indicator line. Lastly, validate the signal with the Firefly oscillator. Once all these conditions align, it's time to enter a sell trade. For managing your capital, it's crucial to set a stop loss for the trade. A sensible choice is to place it just above the recent swing high. In the next step, consider a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for exiting the trade and profit. And now, let's establish the rules for a buy trade. To start, the alpha trend indicator should generate a buy signal. Next, ensure that the price is above the HMA indicator line to confirm an upward trend. Finally, the Firefly oscillator should validate the signal. When all these conditions are met, it's time to enter a buy trade. For managing your capital, set a stop loss for the trade. A reasonable choice is to place it just below the recent swing low. In the next step, consider the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for exiting the trade and profit. And for more valuable insights and profitable trading strategies, be sure to check out our next video.